Hello guys, how are you? In today's session, we are discussing about Kisan Drone Scheme. Recently, government has launched drone scheme for agriculture purpose. Actually, recently our Prime Minister flagged off 100 Kisan drones in various cities and towns. Okay, for spraying the pesticide and other agricultural use of these drones. Okay, so what was the main motto behind launching this scheme? To modernize our agriculture, modernization of agriculture. Because drone is just like a multi-use instrument. Same thing can be used for monitoring your data like pesticide infestation, pesticide application, land survey, okay, taking the images of the farm, sometimes exporting fruits and vegetable to the market, importing agricultural inputs, okay. So many things can be done with the help of drone, okay. So in this way these drones are going to help in agriculture. So what is this particularly drone scheme or the drone? It is unmanned. Unmanned का मतलब होता है there is no driver टू दिस ड्रोन, इट कैन बी हैंडल रिमोटेडली, ओके, हम रिमोटली इसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं एंड इट इज फिल्ड अप विद द टैंक्स. So that can be with the help of insecticide or nutrient. You know that recently government also launched the nano urea. So nano urea can be sprayed with the help of drones. These drones has capacity of the 5 to 10 kilogram. Okay, so you can fill your nutrients or insecticide up to 5 to 10 kilogram and you can spray to your farm. So drone will spray the same amount of pesticide about 1 acre of land in just 15 minutes. See the efficiency. Okay, means then there will be uniform spray. Means if you are doing it manually, it can be ununiform or कुछ जगह पे ज़्यादा कुछ ज़्यादा जगह पे कम ऐसा हो सकता है. But if you are spraying with the help of drone, there will be the uniform spray and in just like a 15 minutes, if you are calculating it for let's say 1 hectare, it will be around just like 30-35 minutes, okay. So it is very fast thing. See these drones which are particularly used in Kisan drone scheme are means manufactured in the Garuda Aerospace. This is the homegrown startup. इसका मतलब है these are the made India products. Okay. Same drones can be used for the carrying the vegetables, fruits, fishes to the market and taking agriculture inputs from market to the farm. Okay. So these items will be supplied directly to the market with the help of minimal damage, because you know that fruits and vegetables are very delicate thing. If you are just transporting the fruits and vegetable with multiple transport system like from tractor to truck to vendors and like this, it get damaged. But if you are directly taking this product from your farm to market, there will be minimal damage. Consumer also get your product with very less time also, and farmers will get more profit. Also fishermen can also sell their fishes from directly site of collection to the market. This is also one of the book for that is free book of previous year questions. So many students ask me. You can directly download from this web portal or from this telegram number. So you can also get UPSC agriculture options previous year questions. Okay. So what are the benefit? First thing is that I already told you, it will boost the agriculture sector because it is saving your time, making the quality product available to the consumers. Okay, also you can assess your crop. There can be digitalization of the land records, spraying of insecticide, nutrients, and so many uses are there of these Kisan drones. Okay, another thing is the transportation of food, okay, like fruits, vegetables, flowers in minimal time. Okay, then aid in new age farming, because you know that this is the era of modern agriculture or technology based agriculture. Okay, so if you are using this advanced technology in agriculture, it will help us in long term for the food and nutritional security. Food security and nutritional security में help करेगा. It will also enhance our production. Okay, so this Kisan drone scheme is going to be a change maker in upcoming agriculture के जो challenges है, इसमें एक अच्छा change लाने वाला है. Then chemical free farming. Kisan drone also aims to promote the chemical free national farming. It means that if you are monitoring the pest at the right time. It means that we can use very less chemicals because there will be the spot application. If you are finding, let's say this is particular patch is infested with pesticide, you can directly spray here only. No need to spray it, in all farm. It means that there will be less and less chemical use because there will be site specific application of nutrients and the insecticide. Then what is another best thing about this Kisan Drone Scheme? It will help in the post-production benefits. If you are producing anything like fruits, vegetable, okay, because of there is so many glitches in the transportation system, packaging system. Actually, there is a lot of loss. Like for fruit and vegetable, there is 40% loss of fruits and vegetable only because of the damage and the not good quality handling. Okay, such damage or loss can be stopped with the help of Kisan drone because there will be minimum damage. You are just gently picking the product from your farm and taking it to the market. So it will reach to your consumer in lesser time. Already told you that will help in farmers, fishermen, flower growers, and so many things. Also, there will be the increase in the employment. You know that our young generation is well versed with the technology handling like Android app. Such these drones are also handled with the help of some apps installed in your mobile, and our youngsters can also get job for driving these drones. Nowadays we can see in the marriage ceremonies drones are used for the videography. Okay, same times of job can be created for our lot of youth. Okay, so there will be the fresh employment opportunities for the use for handling the drones, their maintenance, and if there is any fault they can also correct it. So there can be also stops for just like a service provider for the drone, A to Z service provider for the drones. Okay, so this can be the best opportunity for the youngster. What is another thing about this Kisan drone scheme? Because along with these features and benefit there are little bit challenges are also there, because the initial cost for this drone is let's say in one yeah, there was farm fest. I have asked the toll cost of this Kisan drone. It was around 4.5 lakhs. It can be little bit less or little bit more, but average the price they was tolling the 4.5 lakh. This is the, you can say, not affordable for the small and marginal farmer. So in this sense, government is I think providing some subsidy for the Kisan drone, and there can be cost reduction once this technology get popularized. There can be the other startups which are producing recently only one, that is Garuda Aerospace, but other startup when come in the market, they will, means there will be natural reduction in the prices. And you know that government is also trying for boosting the farmers income. When the farmers income get boosted and the price will stop drop, then I think it can be affordable for all farmers in upcoming future years, like next 5 years, next 10 years. Okay, depending upon their income status. So, and another thing is that uh, ये जो ड्रोन है हमारा यूज फॉर द सर्वेइंग वाले जो होते हैं वो फिक्स विंग वाले होते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है, हमें विंग को थोड़ा मोल्ड करना होता है. एंड अनदर थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पर यू नीड टू हैव अ very specific sensors for their use, like sensors means for if you want to calculate the moisture, if you want to detect the pest attack, detect the disease attack. Okay, there are so many sensors, so cost can be little bit reduction. And another thing is that these drone have to carry around 5 to 10 kg of insecticide and pesticide. So there will be the high power batteries here. If you want to just, you know that video graphy drones, they have very less weight like a 500 gram, but these drones have very heavy weights. So there should be a high power batteries, lithium batteries, so overall cost will be high if you want to purchase this. Another thing is this, the connectivity. Sometimes for handling these drones there is a requirement of the network. You know that in arable land, even the villages network is not that much strong. Okay, in such case there can be glitches in the connectivity of the drone. So government first think on the connectivity or internet facility for handling or operation of this drone. Another thing is that if this connectivity is not available, there can be a local data storing center और उसमें ऐसा ही format होना चाहिए so that can be processed and later उसका use हो सके, particularly for the land record like things. Okay, another thing is that these drones are the weather dependent. You know that when you are traveling through the aeroplane से अगर हम travel करते हैं, okay, that is not that much affected with the help of drone, क्योंकि ये इसके क्लाउड्स के ऊपर से जाता है. बट इफ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द ड्रोन, height is not that much. So if there is a heavy wind or heavy rainfall, okay, flying of drone becomes almost impossible. So these drones are totally weather dependent. So if there is a good weather, then and then you can handle it or you can use it. So this is one of the challenge in front of the Kisan drone scheme. Another thing is that knowledge and the skill. You know that average farmer cannot analyze the drone data or drone images. Okay, for these farmer have to send these images or data, particularly regarding their infestation, uh, some land related data, or some, you can say, moisture condition related data, because that data is in the different form. To translate the data, farmer have to take help of anyone. So for getting best use of this Kisan drone scheme, what is needed, that needed is the farmer have, that government have to train the farmers. Okay, and farmer can also get training and they can be trained, but it will take little bit time. So there is a gap between the knowledge and the skill before just implementation of this scheme all over the India. Another thing is that there can be misuse of these drones, because it may infringe the privacy of people. Some people can just use their drone to take some images of the sensitive things, or there can be the illegal transfer of information of data, and that can be transferred to the another party. They can misuse it. Another thing is that some farmer can use to spray the herbicide in the neighbor's farm. Okay, such misuse can be there of this Kisan drone scheme. So guys, it was all about the Kisan Drone Scheme, the best scheme recently government has launched, and it can help in increasing productivity and production of agriculture sector and modernize the Indian agriculture with the help of Kisan Drone Scheme. Guys, Unacademy is coming up with the one competition known as Compete. Okay, so if you want to win the prizes of 2 lakh and check your knowledge level, where you actually stand, you just play this battle known as Compete. It is going to be launched on the Android app of Unacademy. You just stay tuned with Unacademy app. So another thing is that Unacademy is coming up with the UPSC CSE 2023 batch that will be in the bilingual. India's top educator will help conduct this batch. Okay, and last year UPSC also that Unacademy also given best result. Okay, in UPSC like 170 plus toppers in 2020, 197 toppers in 2020, 21 like ordinary rank 3, 4, 5. Also got lot of help from Unacademy for securing these best ranks. So this batch is going to be start from the first 20th of October. Okay. Then another thing about UPSC aspirant is that those who are in the financial constraint can avail an academy subscription with EMI facility. You just have to pay 4364 per month, and you can join any course on an academy on by paying monthly EMI. So for availing this benefit, you can just dial on this number. There will be approval within 2 hours. Minimal paperwork will be there, and flexible 10 years will be there. You can have subscription of 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and so on. An academy is also going to conduct an academy ultra combat, that is for UPSC CSC prelims 2023. Okay, there will be 50 questions and 60 minutes. If you are solving most of the that questions correctly, you can get that prices like iPad, laptop, okay, iPhones. Around 1000 lucky participant will also get Amazon gift vouchers. So don't miss this opportunity. This combat is going to be held on 22nd October. It means that tomorrow on 11 a.m. Okay, on Saturday. So you can join this combat, and दिस इज अ करंट अफेयर स्पेशल है. तो अगर आपका करंट अफेयर अगर अच्छा है तो यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस. देन अनदर थिंग इज अबाउट योर अनअकैडमी सिविल सर्विसेज चैंपियनशिप. ओके, Here there is a pool of around 40 crore rupees. Okay, you can win the scholarship uh, and get opportunity to meet with the IAS officer if you are in the top rank. Okay, so here you also have to just solve 50 questions in 60 minutes. This is going to be held on 13th of November. So अभी से आपका प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करो, है ना? अगर आप इसमें टॉप करते हो तो यू कैन गेट मीन्स some prize from this 40 crore rupees or get scholarship for joining the Unacademy course. Okay, and also you can meet the IAS officer. So enroll it, it's the free. Okay, another thing is that those candidates who are preparing for the UPSC EPFO examination, there is a post known as Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. If you are interested to joining this post and if you want to get success in this, the Unacademy is coming up with best course. Okay, this course will have detailed exam guidance, comprehensive syllabus coverage. There will be top educators, unlimited views on lectures, end-to-end preparation. Okay, so you can enroll for this course also. Another thing is that Unacademy is coming up with, or Unacademy is conducting test series for the mains in GS and optional also. There will be around 25 tests, detailed evaluation will be there, model answer will be provided. Okay, and another thing is that there will be timely and detailed evaluation with feedback, analysis session by the top educators, and comprehensive model answer will be provided. If you want to join GS or optional test series, you can use the code Krushna sir. And another thing is that for optional, the test is available only for the history, pub and geography, anthropology, and the mathematics. So you should know about this. Then another thing is that Unacademy is conducting optional carnival. Okay, optional carnival means lot of courses about the optional like a PSIR, then pub ad, mathematics, history, sociology, geography, psychology, anthropology, and agriculture. Okay, if your optional is among any one of these, you can join an academy and just see the lectures live, ask your doubts. Okay, do answer writing practice in the class. Everything will be covered in comprehensive manner. Then another things for the candidate, those who are appearing or given mains UPSC CSE 2022 and they are expected to get good result in mains and supposed to be appear in the interview, they can join this last mile program. Last year, this program helped so many students in securing good marks in the interview. Okay, to get started, you can directly join this last mile program. In this last mile program, an academy will provide a facility of detailed dap analysis sessions will be there. Then you will have chance to get mock interview with top panelist. Then performance evaluation will be there. You will get feedback also. Then interaction session will be the previous year toppers and serving bureaucrats. Panelist will be like bureaucrat, top educators, professors, and expert in the field of general studies. You can also get benefits of you can get your high quality interview session, so you can analyze your body language, way of answering, okay, and everything. There will be current affair classes, state specific classes, so you can get knowledge about your state. So it's all about this particular Kisan Drone Scheme and Academy initiatives. Thank you.